Hi guys, I'm Hiren. Welcome back to my mom's channel. So today we made a story named Two Friends and a Foolish Ghost. If you like it, please like the video, share the video and subscribe to my mom's channel. So enjoy our story.
Hi Nate.
Hi.
Let's go to the city to bring groceries.
Okay.
So let's go.
Okay. There is a cafe right there. Let's have some food.
Okay. Let's eat chicken burgers and drink coffee.
Okay, I will order them.
Welcome to Holidays Cafe. How can I help you?
I want 2 chicken burgers and 2 cappuccino.
So we will prepare your order. Please have a seat.
Okay.
So your order is complete.
Thank you.
It is my pleasure.
All right.
The food is good.
Yes.
Let's park our car and go to the city by walking.
Okay.
Let's go, Nate.
It's freezing cold here, so let's have a campfire.
Okay.
Let's sleep here.
Why?
I am scared.
Don't be like a kid.
Okay.
Then let's go. What is this place, Nate?
What do I know?
I think it is a ghost shelter.
Ghost? Which ghost?
Let's escape.
How? We don't have a car. A ghost can come and eat us.
Stay here, stay safe and goodbye.
You can't do this to me.
Hasta la vista.
Even you leave, I will find my way.
Finally, I have food.
Please don't kill me.
I will kill you.
Please, I will give you food.
Which food?
A human just like me.
Okay, bring him.
I will bring him if you will leave me.
Okay.
Thanks. But if you want him, you should give me something.
What do you want?
I have 3 wishes. First wish, I should get out of this country. Second wish is I want a tech shop and a robot. And the third wish is I should become a very rich man.
Okay, wait for 5 seconds. Yes, once check, there are flight tickets in your pocket and there is a shop, robot, and a house and a company named Nate's Techniques.
Okay, thanks, I will bring the food. Yes, after long time I escaped from that place and the ghost living there don't know that I escaped, and she gave me flight tickets, a house, a company and a shop with robot. Excuse me, I have booked the flight on 10 a.m. this morning.
Okay, sir, we are checking your ticket. Yes, sir, we found that you booked Portugal Airlines ticket, so enjoy your trip.
Okay.
Why are you so happy, sir? Are you leaving this country?
Yes, I'm leaving this country. I'm very happy.
I have left Nate. I am thinking he had been killed by the ghost living there. I will leave this country.
Welcome to Portugal International Airport. How can I help you?
Yeah, I need a car.
Are you Nate, the owner of Nate Techniques?
Yes.
Oh my god, sir, you have limousine waiting for you.
Okay.
Why are you like that, sir?
It is none of your business.
Okay, sir. Please cooperate. We will reach Portugal tonight.
Okay. I am in Portugal finally.
Hey PA. Yes, sir. Play music. All right, sir, I can sing for you. Sing. Is this my house, PA? No, sir, it is just your lobby. There is more to see. This is your first lounge area. It is good. The second one is also good. Okay, let's go. This is the second lounge area. Yes, it is good. Let's go to your office, sir. Okay. This is your office, sir. Okay. Let's go to the cubicle. All right. This is the cubicle where our employees work. But where are they? Sir, today is Sunday, so it is a holiday for our employees. Okay. Let's go to our conference room, sir. This is conference room, sir. Yes, it is good. Okay, sir, let's go to our restaurant and have some food. Oh my god, do we have restaurant? Yes, sir. Let's go. What is our restaurant name? It is called Nate's Nuggets. When you're talking about a restaurant, I am remembering something. What, sir? Nothing, just leave it. Okay, sir. Order chicken nuggets and French fries. Okay, sir.
How can I help you, sir?
I want chicken nuggets and French fries.
Okay, sir. Have a seat, sir.
Okay.
Sir, your food is ready.
Okay, thanks. Where are we going? We are going to your tech shop. Okay.
What is this place named Nate's Techniques? Let's go and ask. Who is the owner of your company?
His name is Nate.
Where is he?
He is in his tech shop.
Okay.
It is time to leave, PA. Okay, sir. Hey Android, how are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Okay, how are the sales going on?
They are going on good, sir.
Okay. Hi Pia, why you called me? Sir, someone talked to our manager. Who is it? He said his name is Harvey. Okay, thanks, but where is he right now? He is in the public library. Okay. Hey Harvey, it has been a long time.
Hi Nate, I thought you were killed by the ghost, but you became very rich. How is this possible?
When you were mentioning the ghost, I have to tell you a story.
Tell.
The ghost was very friendly and gave me this company and money. So I am very rich. If you want to be like me, go to the cave where we meet last.
Thanks. And I will be rich just like you.
Okay, your wish.
Yes, I will be getting lot of money. and I will become richer than my friend.
The ghost living there is so angry, because of me. I said I will be bringing food but I didn't, so my friend will become the food.
I'm very angry because of one man.
Who is it?
He is your friend, so I will kill you.
Please don't kill me, I will bring food.
Oh really, I believed your friend and gave him lot of money and a big company. But I have never got food again. So you are my food.
No, 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 no.
Sorry.
Please.
No, 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 no.
Please.
No way.
How is my friend doctor?
Sir, we are sorry we can't do anything. He is no more.
Okay sir, may his soul rest in peace.